Here in this video, I'm going to share some big updates related to latest IceCoin data and the next distribution which is going to start on the 28th of February. And most importantly, we will discuss can IceCoin touch $1 or not. So watch the full video and you will get so many big updates and insights which will be helpful to understand how IceCoin can hit the $1 price. And also we will discuss whether should you sell IceCoins or need to hold your IceCoins. So guys, before starting the video, please subscribe to the channel and also press the notification bell icon to stay updated with all the upcoming updates. And if you find this video helpful, then do not forget to like it. Now without any further delay, let's get started. Guys, first of all, I want to share some recent data with you. So recently, ICE Network shared a post on their official X profile where they said that the KYC3 quiz now won't be available for any user. The time is up and a huge number of users have failed the quiz. And from now, ICE Network has increased the speed of burning rate and they are burning a massive amount on a daily basis. As per the recent data available in the ICE mining app as well, the total supply is just around 2 billion. Let me tell you, it was around 32 billion before introducing the KYC3, that quiz. And now the total supply is just around 2 billion. So it is very clear that they have burned a very huge amount of the total supply. Now here's one question that may knock your mind. What is the benefit of this massive burn? So guys, let me tell you, people are trading in IceCoins regularly and the organization is burning the supply frequently. It means there is a good demand for IceCoins in the crypto world, but the total supply is much less as compared to the demand. In this condition, you will see a regular hike in its price. And that is the main reason why $1 mark becomes a possible milestone for the IceCoin. We can say very soon it may touch the $1 mark, and if ICE Network keeps burning the supply, then we can even see more than $1. Well, there are people who are saying IceCoin can't touch $1, it is not possible and all. But guys, I would say as per the total available coins and the fundamentals, it is completely possible. Meanwhile, keep one thing in your mind, the next distribution is about to start very soon. It will bring a lot of positivity in the crypto market about IceCoin, and of course this will be a very good move for the ICE Network, and of course you may see a new hike in its price after this distribution. Now let's discuss the most important part of the video. Should we hold IceCoins or do we have to sell? Well, not an advice, but as per my knowledge, I would say holding can be a good decision because ICE Network is doing whatever is possible to strengthen their product, and for this they have already taken some really unusual and crucial steps. So if you hold IceCoins, then it may give you a huge profit. However, it is completely your call. Whenever you feel that you have made enough profit in ICE Network, then you can sell, but I'm gonna hold it for sure because I know the price is continuously increasing, and as per the positive news like distribution and all, we can see a new hike very soon. Guys, I believe you find this video helpful. Now do not forget to like it and also subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell icon to stay updated with all the upcoming updates and videos regarding the crypto world and all the trending crypto coins. Thanks for watching.